Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Talking.
Hi, David. Hi, friends.
Olivia, you look worried today. Is everything okay?
Well, not really. I have a problem with my car.
Oh, no. What happened?
I don't know. There's a strange noise, and I'm so worried.
Don't worry. Today's topic is perfect for you. We're going to talk about car repair.
Really? That's great. I need to learn this.
Exactly. Knowing how to talk about car problems in English is very useful.
Yes, sometimes I need to call a mechanic, but I don't know what to say.
That's why we're here. Today, we will learn everything about car repair.
Perfect. But first, let's remind our viewers.
Yes, dear friends, please subscribe to Daily Talking.
Click that subscribe button. It's free.
And please like this video. It helps us so much.
Also, share this video with your friends.
Thank you. Now, let's help Olivia with her car problem. Okay, Olivia, first, you need to describe the problem. What's wrong with your car?
I don't know how to say it in English.
No problem. Let me teach you. The first sentence is very simple. My car is not working.
My car is not working. That's easy.
Good. Now, what exactly is the problem? You said there's a noise?
Yes, a strange sound when I drive.
Perfect. We say there is a strange noise.
There is a strange noise. Okay, I can say that.
Excellent. Now, let me teach you other common car problems. Sometimes, a light on the dashboard turns on. We say the engine light is on.
The engine light is on. Oh, that happened to me last year.
Really? What did you do?
I panicked. I didn't know what to do.
That's normal, but now you'll know what to say. Another common problem is, my tire is flat.
My tire is flat. That's scary. Can we drive with a flat tire?
No, never. You need to stop and call for help.
Okay, so what do I say? How do I ask for help?
Simple. I need a mechanic.
I need a mechanic. That's very useful.
Yes, and if you know a garage, you can say, let's call the garage.
Let's call the garage. Okay, so now I know how to describe problems.
Exactly. Let's practice. Imagine you have a car problem. Tell me.
Okay, David, help. My car is not working.
What's the problem?
There is a strange noise, and the engine light is on.
Oh no! You need a mechanic.
Yes, let's call the garage.
Perfect. You did great. Now, let's learn how to call the mechanic. This is very important.
Yes, I'm always nervous when I call.
Don't worry, I'll teach you exactly what to say. First, you introduce yourself. Say, hello, this is Olivia.
Hello, this is Olivia. Easy.
Good. Then, explain the problem. I have a problem with my car.
I have a problem with my car. Okay.
Then, you need to make an appointment. Say, I would like to make an appointment.
I would like to make an appointment. That sounds polite.
Yes, it's very polite. Now, you need to ask when you can come. Say, when can I bring my car?
When can I bring my car? Good question.
And you can also ask, do you have any availability tomorrow? Or do you have any availability this week?
Do you have any availability tomorrow? That's useful.
Yes. And finally, what time is good for you?
What time is good for you? Perfect.
Now, let's practice. I'll be the mechanic, and you call me. Ready?
Okay, I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, you can do it. Ring ring.
Hello, this is Olivia.
Hello, Olivia. How can I help you?
I have a problem with my car.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What's the problem?
There is a strange noise, and the engine light is on.
I see. You need to bring your car to the garage.
Yes, I would like to make an appointment.
Of course. When can you bring your car?
Do you have any availability tomorrow?
Let me check. Yes, we have time at 10 a.m. and 2 p.m.
What time is good for you?
Both times are good. Which do you prefer?
10 a.m. is perfect.
Great. See you tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Thank you.
Excellent. You did it.
Wow, that wasn't so scary.
See, it's easy when you know the phrases. Now, let's talk about what happens at the garage.
Yes, what do I say when I'm there?
Good question. The mechanic will look at your car and explain the problem. You can ask, "What is the problem?"
What is the problem? That's important to know.
Yes. Then you need to know how long it will take. Ask, "How long will it take?"
How long will it take? Because I need my car.
Exactly. The mechanic might say, "It will take 2 hours," or "It will take 2 days."
Oh, I hope it doesn't take too long.
Me too. Now, the most important question, money. You need to ask, "How much will it cost?"
How much will it cost? Yes, I need to know the price.
Of course. And you can also say, "Can you give me an estimate?"
Can you give me an estimate? That's professional.
Yes, an estimate means an approximate price.
Good to know. What else should I ask?
You should ask when you can pick up your car. Say, "When can I pick up my car?"
When can I pick up my car? Important question.
Very important. And at the end, always be polite. Say, "Thank you for your help."
Thank you for your help. Good manners.
Exactly. Now, let's practice this conversation.
Okay, you're the mechanic again.
Good. So, I looked at your car. The problem is your brake pads.
Oh, what is the problem exactly?
Your brake pads are worn out. They need to be replaced.
I see. How long will it take?
About 3 hours.
Okay, and how much will it cost?
Let me check. It will cost about $200.
Can you give me an estimate in writing?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. When can I pick up my car?
You can pick it up this afternoon at 5 p.m.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. See you at 5.
Wow, I feel so confident now.
See, you can do it. You know all the important phrases.
David, this was so helpful. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now you're ready to talk to any mechanic.
Yes, let's review the most important phrases.
Great idea. Number 1, there is a strange noise.
Number 2, the engine light is on.
Number 3, I need a mechanic.
Number 4, I would like to make an appointment.
Number 5, how much will it cost?
And number 6, when can I pick up my car?
Perfect. These phrases will help you in any car repair situation.
Everyone, don't be afraid to talk to mechanics in English.
Exactly. They will understand you, and now you know what to say.
Now we have homework for everyone.
Yes. Think about a car problem, real or imaginary.
And describe it in English in the comments.
For example, my car has a strange noise, or my tire is flat.
We want to read your sentences.
And we have a question for you.
In English, what is the most common problem with your car?
Write your answer in the comments. We read every comment.
And please don't forget to subscribe to Daily Talking.
Click that subscribe button. It's free.
And like this video, give us a thumbs up.
Share this video with your friends who need help with car problems.
Thank you so much for watching today's episode.
Now you're ready to handle any car repair situation in English.
Don't be nervous. You can do it.
See you in the next episode of Daily Talking.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye, and good luck with your cars.